Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of May the 26th to June the 1st. We have more cheap Tide and a lot of magic in this ad and a new month from what I can see. So it's going to be pretty fantastic. So just to show you guys, these started populating in my digital coupons folder at the very top. I think Wednesday. We have a 10 back when you spend $35 on summer essentials. So I'm thinking like suntan lotion, pool floaties, that good stuff. We'll investigate that a little bit more this weekend or on Sunday. And then a 5 back when you spend $27, which is a odd amount, but I am here for it. So happy Memorial Day to everyone. Let me know in the comments down below if you are going to be out at Walgreens on Sunday the 26th. With Memorial Day, they really lean into a lot of food, barbecue, soda deals, that sort of stuff. And let's remember, this is just a preview video. The full ad and all of the digital coupons will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday, May the 26th. The first item is Guess What's Back, the 4 for $10, so it makes these laundry products $2.50 each. The regular price is $4.49. If you want a mixy match, go for it. But say grabbing a mix of the Tide Simply and a couple bounce dryer sheets for $10. Use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it and pay down the tax. If you wanted to do this without a booster, yes, you can totally use that Walgreens cash, and it shakes it out to $2.50 each. Maybe this was a crystal ball moment last week that I knew this was coming back. No, I'm just kidding. If you know, you know. Put LOL in the comments. $5.49 for these Tide laundry care products. They're more of the premium line, and it says up to $1.50 off. So I'm thinking the pods and the liquid will be $1.50 off, and then the dryer sheets and fabric softener will probably be an extra $1 off. So that's $5 off, and then $5 register reward when you buy 4 of these products. Okay, so grabbing 4 of these laundry care products, and you'll have to mix and match if you want to go with those digital coupons. It's $21.96, subtracting $5 in digitals. You'll pay $16.96 out of pocket. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $11.96 for the 4 or $2.99 per product. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Use $10, so you're not feeling so much out of pocket for this one. Okay, so the next deal that we're going to look at is with the Gain for $9.99, $3 digital, $4 reward when you buy 2. So say the fabric softener and the detergent is included, grab 1 of each for $19.98, $6 of digital coupons melting off, pay $13.98, get back a $4 register reward, making it $9.98 for the 2 or $4.99 per product. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you could use up to $10 in Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. This deal is back. It always shows up in the month of June. Ajax Palmolive Suavitel, $2.99 to $5.99. Let's go with 2 of the cheapest, which are probably the Palmolives for $5.98. Subtracting a $1 digital coupon, you're going to pay $4.98. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per dish soap. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Just throwing this one on the back burner, $5.49. Buy 4 of these products, get back a $5 register reward. I'm curious what kind of digital coupons for this deal of the week will populate for Bounty, Charmin, and Puffs products. I'm very curious. Now we have a dental care deal. We're going to grab 2 of the products for $4 each, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon likely. Grabbing 2 of those products for $8, subtracting that 3 off 2, you'll pay $5, get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per dental care product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Friend, the Dove dry spray is back, 2 for $14. I tried to look on Fetch, but all the rebates are for CVS for me, so ugh. But 2 of these dry sprays for $14, subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $10. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $8 for the 2 or $4 per dry spray. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Still photograph your receipt to Fetch, though. You might be getting something back. Let's hope. The Old Spice, buy one, get one 50% off, $5 reward when you buy 3 of them, and we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. Grabbing 3 of these body washes for $21.22, subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $16.22. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $11.22 for the 3 or $3.74 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. This one's kind of interesting. I'm looking for a $9.99 Gillette and Venus razor. We're going to have to wait and see. It says $5 coupon, but I'm wondering if there might be a $3 coupon for that and the 6 off 2. Or is the 5 off of 2 going to work for these single fancier razors? But grabbing 2 of them for $9.98, subtracting that $5 digital, pay $14.98, get back a $6 register reward, making it $9.98 for the 2 or $4.49 per unit of razors. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But that $5 off, what is it specifically on? And is the $3 coupons going to populate? We'll have to wait and see. Now we're looking at this Love Beauty and Planet for $9. $9 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of these for $18, you're getting back a $9 register reward, making it $9 for the 2 or $4.50 per shampoo. And it is okay to use a bit of Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I know a lot of you love Love Beauty and Planet, so maybe you could put this in with a larger basket. Maybe that'll work. And the buy one, get 2 for free on the Complete Home sandwich storage bag. First one is $2.79. You'll pay that. It shakes it out to 93 cents of the boxes of these sandwich bags, so that's a very good stock up price. The Lucky Charms are 2 for $5. For one of these boxes, it's usually $5.99. Man, that is expensive. We currently don't have a digital coupon, but if you scoot over to the IBOTTA app, they're giving you back 50 cents per box. This has very serious verbiage that you can't use a digital coupon in concert with the rebate, so just keep that in mind, guys. Grabbing 2 of those Lucky Charms for $5, photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $1 back, making it $4 for 2 or $2 per box, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, so now we're going to take a quick look at some honorable mentions, guys. The first one is the $4 off of one of those Olay SPF sticks. Now, I have been talking about this for weeks. We finally have a digital coupon. Will we be able to line up a deal next week? Yes or no? Load this coupon right away. And then the $12.99 fancier Olay, and we have a 7 off 2 digital coupon. Let's load it and let's see what kind of a deal that we can do. But a 7 off 2 is nothing to sneeze at. That's a very generous coupon on a new product over at Walgreens. We have a BOGO free with these Cape Cod kettle chips, a favorite of Mr. Kimono. So I'm definitely going to have to stock up on a couple of those. And we also have BOGO free on the Lay's and Doritos. Let's double, triple check. Do we have a digital coupon to go with? With Memorial Day, these manufacturers are a little bit generous, so it's definitely cheaper to buy your chips at Walgreens. And then we have BOGO 50% off on the DiGiorno pizza. If throwing a couple of these on the grill for Memorial Day is what you want to do, that sounds pretty good to me. Walgreens is the place to get your pizzas. And the Cheez-Its are 3 for $5. So if there was an IBOTTA rebate to go with this, this might be some magic right here. And lastly, we have the Pepsi 3 for $14.99. One drink that's really jumped in price considerably. So yep, that might be a stock up price. It's cheaper than paying $9.99 for a 12 pack. Before I skedaddle, guys, earlier this week, I made a video about Dollar General. Several of their categories pennied out. If you have a couple of minutes or nothing going on this weekend and you're like, hey, I just wouldn't mind going on a little hunt, you might want to watch this video. I show where I find the items in the store. And I think I got just under like 150-ish pennies on Tuesday. So you might want to check out the video. I'll link it right here. Bye, guys.